Hello everybody, my name is BDFOS and welcome to a brand new Alt MOC series. Today 76934's Ferrari F40 supercar is getting changed into its first conversion, the Ferrari F80. From the 80s to the 20s, from classic to modern, this set comes in at 229 pieces across 91 sets. To divide that is an average of 2.5 pieces per section for the F80. This set was handpicked by me for the next MOC series. I want to switch back to Speed Champion for the next series, maybe even the next couple of series, because these are really interesting. There's some lovely sets coming out for Speed Champs this year, and I want to see what all the MOCs are like for it. So let's strip the F40 apart, put the pieces in our recording tab to get to our first conversion, the Ferrari F80. Enjoy. Here's the following complete conversion from the 76934's base set into the Ferrari F80, and I like it. A couple of spare pieces here and there, most notably the wind mirror here. It's quite nice. I built this in about 40 minutes or so. Another spare piece here which I replaced with a 1x1. I do like the design of the set, most notably the front piece here, which is the distinct feature. And I talked about feature I saved the F80, the little black bit at the front. Solid, this is together quite nicely. This is my first brick build for MOCs in like 7-8 months, I think, so it's rather nice to get back to them. There's a lot of MOCs for 76934. Very nice set indeed. Again, big fan of it. Didn't take too long to build. sits together nicely. Couple spares needed. A pretty standard build as far as MOCs go. But hey, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. As always, if you like and subscribe if you're new. Would you buy and build the original? Would you build this MOC? How do you feel about it? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Let me know down below. With that said, I've been BDF 18. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.